Hey guys, today I'm gonna try and make a simple beret hat. I'm trying to film a couple videos up front so that I don't have to rush every week to make them, because mostly I feel like I don't have enough time to finish the project on time to upload and it being the quality that I want. So next couple of videos I'm gonna try and make something a little bit more simple so that I can give myself some time, if that makes any sense. So I measured almost 15 centimeters, and I'm saying almost because I couldn't get 15 centimeters on this paper, but I was fine with 14 centimeters and 7 millimeters, which is 5 and 78 in inches. And I drew my circle with that radius to create a base part for a beret. Then, since my head circumference measurement was 55 centimeters, I divided that by 628, which is 2 times pi number, which is 314, and that gave me 8 centimeters and 7 millimeters of radius. So from the same spot in the middle I drew another circle. Once it was done, I folded the circle in half, drew a line, and I cut through it. Then I cut out the inner circle and the 2 pattern pieces were done. These need to be cut on fold. So I still had some scraps of black jeans and I thought that that would make a nice beret. So I cut out both of these patterns out from the jean fabric and then from some simple cotton one for lining piece. I pinned the pieces together all around with right sides touching, and I sewed it down with a straight stitch, doing the same for both fabrics. Then I cut little notches around circles, and then I pinned them together with right sides touching, and I sewed all around, leaving a little gap unsewn. Once done, I turned the head around and I sewed another line about 1 centimeter from the edge to create a little tunnel for the elastic. I pulled the elastic through and I sewed down the opening that we created, closing it all up. The last thing to create was a little bubble thingy on top of a beret, and I made it by simply cutting out the little rectangle that I folded on itself a few times like this. Sewed it together at the bottom, and then I sewed it to the top of a beret by hand. And it was done, and I hope you liked this one, and as always, if you did, give this video a like, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe for more. Stay safe and responsible, and I'll see you next week. Bye!